I have 7 profitable digital product ideas that are going to be pretty simple for you to make if you are a new Etsy seller. And these are going to help you make some sales quickly on Etsy. If you're new to me, my name is Lucretia. I'm a homeschooling stay-at-home mom. And according to my eRank dashboard, I make more sales than 97% of other Etsy sellers. And I work on my Etsy shop only while my kids are sleeping. So if you're interested in how I'm able to do that, head to the description and grab my free Etsy starter guide where I list out all of the steps that I took to start a profitable Etsy shop only working while my kids were sleeping. So I'm going to share my screen and we are going to hop into the first digital product idea. The very first digital product idea I have for you is credit card skin. And so you can see the name, it's up here and over here. And so that is the main keyword you are going to want to target if you list this product in your Etsy shop. So you can see here the average searches per month is over 2,000 searches per month, and the competition is also around 2,000. So that means there's about 2,000 listings for this product. What I consider digital product gold when I'm using eRank is if the searches per month are more than the competition. That means more people are searching for this product each month than there are even products available to buy on Etsy. And so that is how you are going to stand out and make sales quickly is by getting in before everyone starts making these products. So you want to list a product when the competition is low. And you can see over here the search trends month over month. I mean, in July of 2023, this got over 4,000 searches. And in July of 2024, it got over 2,500 searches. So this is holding steady year over year. So this would definitely be a great idea to consider adding to your Etsy shop. And let's hop over to Etsy so we can see. So whenever I'm looking on Etsy, I look for these popular now badges or the bestseller badges. And I like the first page to have mostly popular noun badges or bestseller badges because that's letting me know that people are buying this product. So whether it's popular now or a bestseller, people are buying this. And you can see most of these are digital downloads. So this one is a physical product. This one's a physical product, but most of these, like this one's a digital download, this one's a digital download. And you can see here, they are making them in Canva so that people can go in and edit them themselves. So I would definitely hop on this product idea while it's not competitive. Digital product idea number 2 that's going to help you make sales quickly on Etsy are faceless reels. So the digital marketing industry boomed in about January with these faceless reels. So you can see here in December, no one was searching for this. But in January, it shot up to over 3,600 searches that month. On average, faceless reels gets about 1,000 searches per month on Etsy, and the competition is only 7,000. So this is a great digital product idea to make. So I like to look for all green bars on eRank. That lets me know that this has high search volume and low competition. And that is the key to standing out on Etsy. So let's hop over to Etsy and see what these look like. So you can see here, these are videos that people can use like on Instagram, TikTok, wherever they're posting their content, their social media content, and most of these have the popular noun badge. So adding faceless reels to your product list is a great idea at this moment because the faceless reels industry is really popping right now. So I would get in while this is still hot. Digital product idea number 3 are unicorn birthday invitation. So that's the keyword you're going to target, and you're going to want to make sure you use this keyword in your tags, the very first part of your title, and the very first part of your product description so that Etsy and Google both know what your product is. And so again, we have green bars all the way through. So we have over 1,000 searches per month, actually over 1,200 searches per month for this keyword. And the competition is a little higher, but it's still less than that 20,000 mark that I like to stay under. So I like my searches to be more than 300 per month, my competition to be less than 20,000. And that is a good product idea for me that I know that I have an increased chance of making sales quickly. Over here with the trend, you can see that the sales hold steady almost all throughout the year. And this is what we call an evergreen product. And that means that the sales are going to happen all throughout the year. So it's not a seasonal product like something for Christmas where you can see a spike in sales like starting after July and then the sales are going to die down for the rest of the year. This is an evergreen product where you can expect to make sales of this product all throughout the year. And so those types of products are going to help you make sales every single day. In my Etsy shop, I have a majority of evergreen products that make sales every single day. And this would be one of those product ideas. So let's hop over to Etsy. So you can see here that all of these are either popular now or bestsellers. So this is a great idea. It is a little more competitive, but the competition is still pretty low so that you can rank on the first page of search results for this product. Digital product idea number 4 is a wedding day binder. So you can see that it gets about 500 searches per month, and the competition is super low with only 1,700. And so this is a great digital product idea if you are in the wedding niche. I would definitely consider adding this into your listings. And you can see here that while the sales did flatline, it really peaked in June of 2023 with over 4,700 searches that month. But it did kind of flatline here, but it's going back up in July. So let's hop on over to Etsy and see what this looks like. So you can see here, all of these have the popular now badge or a bestseller badge, and they are selling at pretty decent prices. So $6, $8, here it's $4. So those are pretty decent prices. I mean, if you just sell a handful of these a day, you can easily make $20+ a day on Etsy from this one digital product. And so most of them have about 80-ish pages. This one has 160 pages. And so this is more of a bundle. You could probably just Google wedding day binder and find some that are already done for you that you can easily edit and get listed into your Etsy shop. Digital product idea number 5 is for my crafters out there. This is a fursuit pattern. And so you can see here it gets over 1,000 searches per month, and the searches are pretty even to the competition. So there's not a lot of competition and it's getting a lot of searches each month. So I would definitely consider adding this while the competition is super low and a lot of people are searching for this product each month. So let's hop over to Etsy. If you have no idea what a fursuit pattern is, because I didn't either, it's just the pattern so someone can make their own fursuit. So here we have paws, and you can see these are all digital products, and they all have either the popular noun badge or the bestseller badge. And so people can use these patterns to create their own fursuit. This is great if you are in the crafting niche. These are selling at a good price. This one is $2, but look at this one. It's popular. It's $11, $12, $11. So these are some great prices so that you can easily make some quick sales on Etsy with this product before it gets too competitive. Digital product idea number 6 is real estate reels. And so it gets about 700 searches per month, and the competition is only 851. Like, this is super low competition. So I would definitely consider adding these products to your Etsy listings if you know how to make this type of content. So reels for real estate agents or just real estate reels. So over on Etsy, we can see here that we have some bestsellers. All through here are some bestsellers. And look at these prices, $18.99, $17. So these are some good prices for a best-selling digital product. Just 2 sales of these and you could have over $30 days. So these are great digital product ideas to add in your Etsy shop if you know how to create this type of content. Digital product idea number 7 that's going to help you make sales on Etsy are Bible study guides. So the keyword you're going to want to target is Bible study guide. Make sure you put that in your tags, your product title, and your product description so Etsy and Google know what your product is and they can get it categorized so they know who to show it to. And so this gets over 1,100 searches per month on average, and the competition is about 5,000, which is super low for Etsy. This is not saturated at all. And you can see here the sales are holding pretty steady, and there's even a spike for July of 2024. And so these are definitely a great idea to add to your Etsy shop. Whenever we head over to Etsy, you can see there's so many popular now bestsellers. These may be a little bit more in-depth to make, like you probably need to know your Bible stuff to make these. But if you feel confident making this type of digital product, I would definitely consider adding this to your Etsy shop. And let's hop into a bonus digital product idea because you stuck around this long. These are Remarkable 2 templates, and they have been blowing up on Etsy. Like, people are loving these Remarkable 2 templates. So if you don't know, because I didn't know, a Remarkable 2 is like, it's a tablet. So it's kind of like an iPad or like a Kindle, just a little tablet. And the average searches are over 33 searches per month, and the competition is only 2,600. So there are more searches for these type of templates than there are even listed on Etsy. So you can definitely stand out with this type of product, and you are going to make sales with over 3,300 people looking for this product every single month. And so if we look over here on Etsy, you can see now they are all marked with either popular now or best sellers, and they're charging some pretty good prices for this. I mean, like 11, 15, 7, 22, 17. Like these are some pretty good prices. So you can definitely make some good money with these remarkable 2 templates if you know how to do them. So those are 7 digital product ideas plus a bonus for you to get listed into your Etsy shop so that you can make some quick sales. If you have no idea where to get started with your Etsy shop, make sure you grab my Etsy starter guide down in the description where I list out all of the steps that I took to start my Etsy shop as a busy homeschooling stay-at-home mom. And if you want more beginner-friendly digital product ideas, make sure you watch this video over here where I share with you 7 beginner-friendly digital product ideas that will help you get a spike in sales quickly. Chat soon.